What's up, everybody? Long time no see. Haven't made a video in quite a while. So, as you guys can probably already tell by the thumbnail, the Mustang is gone. It's not sitting there. So let's just jump right into this. So I haven't uploaded a video in probably about 2 months, and there's a reason for that. I've been extremely busy behind the scenes anyway. And, well, part of the things I went and did was I sold the Mustang. That's right, I sold it. So the reason why I sold it, I had to make a sacrifice for other things, which I'm going to get to in the next video. But anyways, I had to make a sacrifice that I was willing to make. The other thing was, I was offered the same amount of money that I bought it for. I bought it for 10 grand almost 2 years ago. So just shy of 2 years and well over 30,000 miles. Of course it was babied. Anyways, well over 30,000 miles, and I was offered 10 grand for it. Now, I wasn't just randomly offered. This is something I've been thinking about doing since June of this year. So that's why some of my videos, in case you guys didn't already notice, were starting to make a turn back then. I was already setting up things for kind of getting rid of the car. So what does that mean for my plans for it? Well, obviously I'm not going to do the engine swap that I was wanting to do and everything else for it. Even though I got the engine stand already between then, but I'm still not going to do that engine swap. So I had to sell it. The replacement is already sitting right there on the other side of the garage. The vehicle that I bought for the car's replacement. Lord, I can't talk. It's been a while since I made a video. So anyways, we'll get into that vehicle here in just a minute. But I had to make a sacrifice. It was something I thought long and hard of. But back in June, I talked to my wife and I, Mrs. GT John, and we decided it was the best to go ahead and sell it for something that I've got coming up. So we sold it, and well, I listed it, and I just was like, well, if it sells, it sells. It wasn't even listed for 2 weeks, and the guy came, test drove it, loved it, and bought it. Really nice guy, so shout out to Chris if he's watching this. So anyways, the replacement, like I said, is already sitting right there. And kind of give you guys a hint, I want y'all to comment below what you think it is. It is powered by the Gen 2 5-liter Coyote by Ford, and it's sitting right there. Like I said, if it wasn't dark out, I was going to open the garage just that much to where you could see the wheels, and maybe you guys could guess. But anyways, I want you to comment below what you think I got. I know one or maybe two of you already know what it is, so don't spoil it for anybody. Anyways, so there's going to be a big change coming on the channel, and by big change I mean all the content that I'm going to put out is going to be drastically different than what I have been doing. So I'm completely aware most of you guys are probably going to unsubscribe from me, and I get it, because the content that I'm going to be putting out is for a different audience, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. I just hope you guys are okay with it. And if you want to stick around and support me, that's great. But anyways, I'll get into that in the next video that you guys are going to see here pretty soon. I'm going to reveal what's behind that door, and I'm going to reveal my plans to you guys. But I feel like I needed to go ahead and update y'all and let y'all know what's to come. This wasn't a very easy decision, but at the same time it was. So I hope you guys enjoy it on the content that's coming, and I look forward to seeing any of y'all support and everything. But anyways, comment below what you guys think is the replacement, and get ready for the next video. I don't know when it's coming out. It may be this week, it may be next week. I'm not sure when I'm going to do the video, the revealing of it. It's cold. I don't know if you can hear that heater, right there. I don't know if you can hear that, but I got it heat in the garage, and it's still pretty cold in here. I honestly want to put a jacket on. But if it warms up a little bit, that's where I was going with that. If it warms up a little bit, I'll probably do the reveal of it then. I think you guys may like it. Some of you will like it. I can't say whether it was a Ford or not, even though I've already given away that it is powered by a Coyote. So anyways, that's where I'm at. That's where I've been. That's been part of what's going on. So yeah, just comment below what you guys think. Also comment, would you sell your car? Most of you guys got some kind of little sports car, project car, or whatever. Does it have a value on it? Well, I should say, is there a price on it? Is there a price that it has to go before you sell it, or would you just sell it in a heartbeat? To me, it was a no-brainer. I got I got offered exactly what I paid for it. So 2 years later, and I had my fun with it. So anyways, that's also why, you know, for those of you that follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name has changed. It went from, you know, GT John to where I'm just posting memes now on that page. You know, I thought about changing my name to GT Gone because I think that'd be funny. But anyways, I'd love to hear back from you guys. What you guys think? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video. See you.